What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CA Buildz. If you guys are new here, tap that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Today we're back on our Tesla Model S. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave the links in the description down below. But we're finally taking it to the frame shop today. We're gonna get this quarter panel replaced. And before we do that, I actually still need to go pick up the quarter panel. So let's go to the shop and get it picked up. All right, guys, we got the quarter panel loaded, and check this out. This is where Teslas come to die. There's a whole bunch of them over here, all the way there. There's a whole bunch in the back more. But let's go home now and I'll show you guys the quarter panel. We made it home and here's the quarter panel. It came with the back panel as well. We need to get this replaced. I'm not going to replace the frame rail, it just came with it, so that's fine. We're just gonna replace the quarter panel and the back panel right here. I'm not going to take it off the truck. I will be taking it straight to the shop. I'm just waiting for the tow truck to come and pick up the Tesla, and we're gonna be going to the frame shop. All right, we made it to the shop and we're pretty much done today. He's not gonna work on it today. He's gonna start tomorrow, so I'll catch you guys then. A few days have passed. We're gonna head back to the frame shop. There's a few little things I need to take off so the frame guy can start working on it. But we did get a new build. We got a 2017 Tesla Model X. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll link it down below. Make sure you guys go check that out, but let's head to the frame shop. We made it to the shop. The Tesla's on the frame machine, and let me tell you, this guy is the best of the best. So he does a lot of exotic cars, a lot of Tesla work. And he actually rebuilt TJ Hunt's Ferrari 458, I believe. So he definitely knows what he's doing. What we're gonna do right now is actually take off these right here because we need to strap the Tesla down to the frame machine so when he pulls it, it doesn't move left and right. So we need to get those taken off. So let's get that done. All right, about 100 bolts later, both of the side skirts are off, that side. We got this side off over here and we're pretty much done for today. He's basically gonna strip this quarter panel right now, take off the skin, the back plate, what he's gonna be removing to put it on there. And then he's gonna do the same thing here, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, we are back at the shop. We got the quarter panel prepped. Let me show you guys. The whole quarter panel is already prepped, so basically this is how it will be going in the car. All of this over here is taken off. We got this whole back panel, the back plate over here, and then it will be the same on the car. Basically, we're gonna be cutting it right there, changing that whole piece. That's it for today, guys. There's a whole bunch of prep work and grinding that he's doing right now, and I just don't want to sit there all day and record him doing that. I'll probably be back here tomorrow or the next day, just when he actually takes the whole quarter panel off, and when he will be installing the new one and prepping that one, I'll kind of record that process, so I'll catch you guys then. All right, guys, next day here, and I already lost track of what day it is, but look at this. The quarter panel is test fitted. Everything's looking perfect right here. Right there, it's all beautiful all around. It's already test fitted over here as well, and he just threw it on for now. He still has to take it all off and put the glue over there, so it's all gonna come off again. First, we're gonna test fit the actual trunk, and if that looks good, we're gonna take everything off again, and then he's gonna weld it on. right, guys, check this out. The trunk is on. Still need to mess with the gaps a little bit, but everything is pretty much perfect. This side is all perfect. And check out this gap over here. It's basically new right there. And that's just all test fitted. The quarter panel is still coming off. I think the trunk will stay on the car, but the quarter panel and the back plate is still gonna come off right now. Quarter panel's off, and look how wild this thing looks. It's so naked. It's pretty crazy. What he's gonna do now, he's actually gonna put a special kind of glue all around here before he welds it. And this is the whole quarter panel with the back plate. Just super light. You pick this thing up, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 pounds. It's super light all around. And check this thing out right here. This is crazy. You open it up and it's all empty. Really happy that we were able to save this piece over here, because it'd be a lot more work to cut this whole thing out. And he was able to save the bottom portion of the tub. It was smashed in a little bit, but he pulled it out and hammered it all out. It looks all clean now. So now he's gonna put the glue on this and we're gonna put it back on the car. He's applying the special glue right now. It's what it looks like. It's basically the same stuff as this orange one from factory. It's just black. And honestly, I didn't even know that you need to use it. It's only for aluminum. For metal, you don't. So basically, you put the glue all around the seams, you put it on, and then you weld it all up. The quarter panel is back on and it's not coming off this time. So it's all set. The glue should be dried underneath there. Now he's just putting in all the rivets, and then after that, all of this is gonna get welded up. And I'm not gonna wait for that. I'll probably catch you guys when it's all done. And once again, it is the next day, guys. We got the Tesla 100% done. The framework is all done. And I'm sorry this video has been taking forever. I've just been taking short clips each day and trying to put them all together. But let me show you guys the car. Take a look at this. Quarter panel's on, everything's secured. Let me see if there's power to open the door. I guess not yet, but everything is perfect. It's all welded over there. Look at the inside over there. It looks all OEM. The gaps are probably even better than OEM because Tesla doesn't really care about their gaps. Let's try to close this gate. Show you guys the gaps here. Take a look at that. Everything is perfect. This side is the same right here. It's all flawless. I'll show you guys a little more once we take it off the car, but take a look at this. If only the bumper was the same color. The bumper is not pearl, so we have to paint it for sure. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do here. If we can buff that out, or we'll have to paint the quarter panel as well. But the trunk, I think we won't paint at all because it looks like it matches to this side over here. And we'll take this double-sided tape off with some kind of gas or something. But everything else looks perfect. We're gonna take it off the frame and I'll show you guys a little more. We got it off the frame rack, and check this thing out. It's just so perfect all around. All these gaps are flawless. All of these over here, everything is just perfect. If not this, I mean, there's scuffs over here as well and over here. So I think we're gonna paint the quarter panel. We're not gonna touch the trunk, paint the bumper. But man, this thing is looking beautiful already all around. The bumper is not pearl white, so you could see the color difference. But right now we're gonna take it to the paint shop. Let me show you guys. I can't open this door. Let me open it. I'll show you guys the gaps. Show you guys the inside. Look at these welds. These are just perfect over here. Put a little Bondo, spray it. Everything is just perfect all around. All right, that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna take it to the paint shop and we're gonna get this thing sprayed. So the next time you guys see it, it's all gonna be perfect and all one color. Let's give you guys a pull while we're taking it to the paint shop. All right, let's step on it. What? This thing is insane. So fast. And look at this, no lights on the dash. Well, park assist and GPS is disconnected. Once we connect everything up, there's gonna be no lights and everything is just perfect on it. That is a wrap for today's video. The next one, the Tesla should be all painted. We're gonna start putting it all together. But if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't seen our Tesla Model X yet, I'll leave the links down below. Make sure you guys check those out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.